you can think of a research paper as a mixture of an article, a literature review, and a term paper. So I'll discuss about all these three things in a bit. So yeah, as I said, an article, a literature review, and a term paper. All of these combined is what you call a research paper. So an article is something that you read every day in a newspaper or a magazine or a journal. So an article is basically it it just presents all the facts about a particular topic. It's not an opinionated piece. It's just presenting you the facts of what has happened. Or say, if I am saying, if I'm writing an article about the impact of COVID on the Indian economy, in an article, I would just write what the impact has already been on the Indian economy. I will not be writing what can be the possible impacts. That is predominantly an article. A literature review would be, say, I read a piece, an art. It can be an article, it can be a research paper, it can be anything. I summarize it. I write everything that I summarize it in a way that I am writing what it is about and what I could gather of it, and how I am going to use that piece for my research paper. And the third thing is a term paper. Now, term paper is something that you will probably you're going to probably write such things, or you'll probably undertake term paper when you get an assignment in college. So that is what a term paper is. So if honestly speaking, if you are trying to write a research paper for the mere purpose of putting it in your CV. So this is what you do. You write a term paper. So term paper will be just picking up data from various sources, say government websites, selecting a topic, picking up data for those particular topics, running it through a regression, and presenting it on a piece of paper and saying X is correlated to Y, and by this much, and this is how this is what my study says. So this is called a term paper. Now, when we put all these three together, put a lot of time and effort, then we get what we call is a research paper. So this is just a brief overview of what a research paper is, so that you don't take a research paper for an article or a term paper. It is something similar but very different also.